Hi bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? I hope you're all doing fantastic and wonderful. So today I'm going to start a new series for you guys. I want to do 10 days of DIY Christmas gifts. I wanted to give you ideas on how you can put together like these last minute Christmas gifts if you are a busy mommy or if you are a busy daddy. Maybe you're working, maybe you're taking care of the kids and you really have no time to go and pick up some presents at the store. I wanted to kind of put together these little easy and quick ideas on how you can kind of make your own little DIY present. Nothing is more beautiful than doing a handmade present and gift it to somebody that you put together. I think it's a really beautiful thing, and it kind of just gives you that ease of not rushing to go to the store if you don't have any time. So I'm going to show you in the next few days, actually the next few hours to be honest with you, because I'm going to be banging these videos back to back for you guys. I'm going to be showing you quick and easy ideas on how to put these DIY projects. The first thing I'm going to show you today is a mason jar. Mason jars are very simple, very easy. You can really literally put anything in a mason jar, dress it up really pretty, and it just looks like a really beautiful gift. Today we're going to make a mason jar full of holiday cookies. Very simple. Get yourself a mason jar. I like to save my mason jars. You can really get mason jars anywhere at this point. Walmart, Michael's, AC Moore, any supermarket has mason jars. Even the dollar store sells mason jars. They're not that hard to find. And what we're going to do is you're going to get yourself some holiday cookies. I found these holiday cookies at the dollar store. Very inexpensive. You get so many of them in here. I really love the way these taste. These are actually very tasteful. They're yummy. And what I like about them is that they have holiday like designs on them. You have trees, you have ginger man. It's just really, really, really fun, and it's super cute, and it's very, very affordable. You can also find holiday cookies anywhere else, like Target, Walmart, anywhere really basically sells holiday cookies. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're going to fill your mason jar with these holidays cookies. Make sure your hands are nice and clean. Make sure your jar is nice and clean. Make sure that if you want to use some gloves because you are handling food, that's also fine, okay? I'm going to fill my mason jar with all these delicious cookies as much as I can. And basically we're just gonna dress up this mason jar. It's not really difficult. It really is not a difficult project. Again, these are one of these like projects that are like last minute and you have nothing and you don't know what to do with, okay? So once you have your mason jar filled with your cookies, make sure you close it, and it just really looks super adorable, super cute. Now we're going to dress up the top of the mason jar, which is the best part of this project. So what I have here is, let me show you what I have here. Let's move these cookies out of the way. So what I have here is these, I got these at AC Moore. They're like these quarter fabrics that you can get anywhere. You can really literally just, it don't have to be these kind of fabrics. It could be any kind of fabric. You can get some lace, just basically any fabric that you have. All you need is just a little square to cover the lid of your mason jar, okay? So here I chose my fabric. I'm going to use this beautiful fabric that has these trucks, and I'm also going to use another fabric which is lace, and I'm going to, the lace I cut it a little bit bigger than the actual fabric that is going to go on my lid, because I want my lace to kind of show behind, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're going to basically add your lace first on your jar, and you're going to add your fabric that you use or that you chose to design your jar on top. Have a handy rubber band, which is what I have here, and you're just basically going to rubber band these together. If you can rubber band it twice, that's fine. If you can rubber band it once, and that's also fine. It just helps you. This is going to help us kind of put the ribbon around the base of the jar. That's the only reason why I have the rubber band. just make sure that it looks, you know, good to you. Make sure that everything is evenly, you know, put together. Make sure that your fabric is hanging out how you want it to hang. Like my fabric right now looks beautiful. See that? I think it looks gorgeous like that. I love the lace on the back and I love this on the top. I think it's beautiful. Okay, perfect. So what we're going to do next is we're going to actually secure the top, and we're going to use some lace, some ribbon, whatever you have. I have some of this binding ribbon that I absolutely love. I tea dyed this ribbon. I love this ribbon so much. So what I'm going to do is I'm basically just going to wrap this around, trying to cover a little bit the rubber band, right? Because you don't want the rubber band to show. And I'm just going to go around a few times around my jar, trying to cover the rubber band. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this out here, and you're just going to make a nice little tight knot. Okay, and already look how pretty this looks already. You see how pretty that looks? How presentable is that? Just by the way it is on its own. I think it's just so gorgeous and so pretty. Just a simple jar of cookies and just a nice little decorative top. It just looks so pretty. So what we're going to do next is we're going to add a nice little tag that I have here. I made this tag. I didn't really make it, to be honest with you. I already had this tag that I bought last year, and the only thing that I did was I just added this cute little gingerbread on it. The gingerbread I got from Target. Just make your own tag if you want. It's not really, you know, hard to make a tag. And if you don't have a tag for Christmas, just use one of these simple tags that you get, like the shipping tags, and just add a little personal note to it. It's perfectly fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie this around my jar. Okay, and I'm going to make this a nice little knot so it doesn't go undone. Now the greatest thing about this project is you don't have to necessarily use cookies. You can actually use candies. You can use so many different things with this, which is an absolutely perfect project because you can actually have different kinds of handmade little mason jar goodies for different people, right? So basically that's all you do, and there you have it. There you have this super adorable personalized little mason jar filled with delicious cookies, as you can see there, and it's just such a beautiful, nice present for someone who's maybe coming to your house, or maybe you don't have, you know, it's a last minute thing and you just don't know what to give someone. This is really an awesome idea to gift someone. I think it's beautiful. I think it's gorgeous. It just looks so presentable, and whoever receives this is going to absolutely adore that you put this together for them. Okay, my loves? Perfect. I hope you guys enjoy watching me make this adorable, simple, and easy DIY Christmas project. Stay tuned for the next one. I'm going to be doing a few more videos for you guys today. Hopefully, you guys are enjoying this new series. I'm also going to continue the Christmas series, so I haven't forgotten about that one as well. Okay, my loves? I'll see you in a few minutes. Thank you for stopping by. Bye.